Is your PS5 kicking you out of matches or constantly dropping your connection to the PlayStation network? Don't let a spotty signal ruin your rank, because I am going to show you how to stabilize your network and stay online for good. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are breaking down the 10 best advanced solutions to fix frequent PSN disconnections on your PS5. Frequent disconnects usually happen because of signal interference, outdated router settings, or a bottleneck in how your console speaks to the Sony servers. It is usually a settings mismatch that we can fix in just a few minutes. Step 1. Switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. By default, your PS5 might be fighting for space on the crowded 2.4 GHz band. Go to your network settings, select Setup Internet Connection, and change the Wi-Fi frequency bands to 5 GHz only. Go to your network settings, select Setup Internet Connection, and change the Wi-Fi frequency bands to 5 GHz only. Step 2. Use a high-quality LAN cable. Nothing beats a wired connection for stability. If you are serious about staying online, plug in a Cat6 Ethernet cable to bypass Wi-Fi interference entirely. Step 3. Change your DNS settings. Manually setting your DNS can provide a faster and more stable route to the PSN servers. Set your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and your secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Step 4. Adjust your MTU settings. Sometimes your network packets are too large for your router to handle, causing a drop. In your advanced network settings, try changing the MTU value from 1500 to 1473. Step 5. Assign a static IP address. This prevents your router from constantly assigning a new address to your console, which often causes a momentary disconnect. Set this up in the advanced connection settings using your router's gateway info. Step 6. Enable port forwarding. Access your router settings on a computer and open specific ports for the PlayStation network. This creates a dedicated express lane for your gaming data to pass through your firewall. Step 7. Disable UPnP on your router. While universal plug and play is meant to be helpful, it can cause security conflicts that drop your PS5 connection. Turning it off and using manual port forwarding is much more stable. Step 8. Restore your licenses. Occasionally, a licensing glitch looks like a network drop. Go to Users and Accounts, select Other, and hit Restore Licenses to refresh your digital handshake with the servers. Go to Users and Accounts, select Other, and hit Restore Licenses to refresh your digital handshake with the servers. Go to Users and Accounts, select Other, and hit Restore Licenses to refresh your digital handshake with the servers. Step 9. Rebuild your database in safe mode. Power down your PS5 and hold the power button for 7 seconds until the second beep. Select Rebuild Database to clear out system errors that might be affecting your network card. Step 10. Update your router firmware. Log into your router's admin panel and check for any pending updates. Manufacturers often release patches that specifically fix compatibility issues with newer consoles like the PS5. Here is a bonus pro tip. If your console is inside a cabinet, move it out. The PS5 network antennas are sensitive to heat and metal interference. Giving your console some breathing room can actually improve your wireless signal strength. If you face any difficulty or your connection still feels laggy, please comment below. I am staying active in the thread and I will reply to your questions within 1 hour. If this guide helped you stay in the game, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your connection is solid and I will see you in the next one.